Hi everyone, I'm Chef Tommy and thanks for joining us today on Epicurean Kitchen. We are making pan-roasted salmon with curried cream sauce to pair with our Amorette Chardonnay. Start by cooking your pearl couscous. Season both sides of your salmon with salt and Herbie's Amchur powder. Sear the salmon skin side down in vegetable oil. Bake the salmon in the oven for 3 minutes. Start by reducing your heavy cream by half. Then add Herbie's Amchur powder and lentil and dal spice. Add a pinch of salt. Thanks for joining us today on Epicurean Kitchen. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious food and wine pairings.